Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell button. This more video, you will be the first to subscribe and subscribe before. Thank you, God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one lady. This lady, she carry matter go give Lady T. Make Lady T talk am. Then Lady T come talk am more the way they give am. So that Lady T come tell her say, you first give me your, after she don't complain, you complain. That Lady T come tell her, okay, give me your husband number. Make I see call your husband. I see hear from her. I know you're here for only your mouth. I tell judge. Then she can't give her Lady T. You can't give Lady T your husband number. As you can't give Lady T, Lady T can't call your husband. Then the husband can't bring story for ground. Tell Lady T everything they happen. Then Lady T can't shock her lies. I don't say we enough. One judge will talk the one who will benefit us. We're not going to talk the one who will say bad though. Then the man can't talk. Even show and some evidence of the thing where did they talk. The thing can't shock. And the thing can't try to beg the man can't say lie. So then the thing can't talk and more for topic on Sunday. I don't know whether I listened to Lady T last weekend. Sunday video where she do. Now the thing can't bring her many people can contribute, say the woman a bad woman for what the woman do, do and all those things, Then the woman begin a vessel. Say why Lady T go judge the matter like that. Lady T say people come they insult her, expect her from Lady T. People not even insult herself. You see, they come they insult her, they come they talk to her the way he not like what Lady T do. He not like this, that. She did Lady T group. She can't remove herself for the group. All because of the matter. She begin the verse. Say why Lady T go judge the matter like that. They judge him. The man complain. Say, the one will go pay me pass for his side for all the complaint with the man complain. The man say if they quarrel, she could draw the man cassava. The man say go draw a cassava. He say, so may not go kill him one day. Without cassava, man not dey life again now. Now the man they run though. The man say, if he can stay, me this woman can finish her like that. The woman first get 2 children for another man. This man too don't first see born before too for Nigeria. He said so when he said another one when they born for here, when they born for Igbo, he said if the Igbo they call him. He said you go they play love with the Igbo for phone. No man go grade that kind of thing now. Man will don't marry you. You can't dey there. You go they talk to another man for phone. You they follow and they play love for phone. Like seriously, who does that? The man say na wetin she dey do. Now be that one. He say if he talk to her, if he quarrel with him, he go say na just normal talk now. Which one be normal talk? He say he go dey tell the man say he ex-husband. Now so the man good though. Now so the man nice though. As the man good, why you can't go marry this man? When you know say your ex-husband they good, what you can make you go marry this man? As you can know say the man they nice. The man say na wetin they always do. Why you married? That one an abomination. You're not even supposed to discuss your ex for when your husband they again. Lie. But this woman they do one. The man say so many things not fit bear am again. The man where even say like a godfather, if they even go the jogo the godfather. Which man go agree that kind of thing? This man say lie oh. He said that the house where he buy. He said because the house where they stay na he buy am. The man say in they work, the woman they work. Now they pay for everything, almost everything for the house rent. You can see beg the woman say, I see they join me. They pay for this house rent. Say the woman say lie. Because the man say he buy the house according to the man. Okay, this woman now as they call the quarrel. As this woman come out for the house, this woman come make sure say she break everywhere. If you see what this woman do, I go show her for video. More see what this woman do. This woman come break everywhere. He can't break everywhere for the house. He said because as that people body now when you want to come out for the house. It can't scatter. See what you might be do. See, I don't know whether now they see her well. I don't know. can't break everywhere. See, he break the if you not see the way it destroy the door. If you see the way it's scatter everywhere before you come up for the mass, it's scatter everywhere. This woman so we can carry matter because what make me they do this what make me they do this topic. She can carry the matter go give a African lady. If I go give Eddie Murphy, see, it's scatter everywhere. The man can show Lady T all the evidence. Lady T can shock her lies for what did this woman do. You see, so he can carry the matter. I say because he not like the way Lady T judge the matter. I don't know what he did wrong at least because me listening that day. Lady T no insult him. He talk him the way the matter be. He say why Lady T go talk like that. Now he carry matter oh, he go give a pie the Murphy. As he go give a pie the Murphy now, a pie the Murphy can call your husband. Your husband can't judge. Your husband can't talk your own side of the story. She can't pie the Murphy can't shock her life. That one not can't do the topic again. As he said the man not do one, they can't go give a African lady. Because he say African lady and the lady T not today in the go things can't go give that one. So that one, I thank God, that one can still use the brain. That one not going to insult Lady T. So that one can present the matter. As that one can do one, the husband can call him. She can't talk. Say not like what Lady T do. They shed tears. That's all the thing pain am. Lady T, he say Lady T want settle them. Lady T can't scatter the more. Now so he no expect her. He no expect what Lady T do. He no expect her. This that. Now that one cause okay. Now African lady because make you judge your own. Now he can't talk. Oh. When he talk, now that one can't shock her lies. Now your husband can't call him. Your husband can't talk. Everything. Yeah, I tell they draw a cassava. How this woman not they give her peace for house. How this woman, no man, go they come house when you go see say the house fire day. You go there happy. No man. The man say one day that they quarrel. Hey, say that they quarrel one day. This woman can call Ogbas. As Ogbas come, he say, I ain't get right for the house. Now he get because he gets German passport, a bit Italian passport, I don't know the one we can't get for the two. He said he can't say, now he get right. The way they talk, now those police come look and say, okay, now because that one they treat this man like that. Now they can't call the authority for Germany because now Germany now then they as they can't call them, they can't invite them, they can't say if she come she bring the passport for nobody. As a region, they can't seize the passport for your hand. Now, waiting the secret will be said that he making want make this man come back to Ram. Not be saying he love the man. He wants make this man come back because they collect the passport, they can't give him a duro. The thing never when I hear him myself, I shock. Say so that they collect passport from person like that because the way they do, they make they collect them. Because they use that passport they intimidate the man. So they can't collect and they can't give him a duro. So nah. Another thing again, if I say they want to collect the children from Mama. Now he wants make this man come back to him. So that the man go feel help and fight him. Make them not collect him. Instead, when they go for your open up, talk the truth, you know, great talk. If they beat around the bush. They go their life for different platforms, they go. Now the matter where they ground, I be this for my people. The matter. You know what you do. Say no good. What you can make you now. No one just open up. Say, mother, help me beg and see you. Now see what I do. You know, you just bring yourself down. You don't want to bring yourself down. You dey hide yourself. You dey want bring problem to yourself. Instead when you bring yourself down beg, you dey say Lady T. What you concern Lady T? Not be you carry matter go give Lady T. Now Lady T help you talk. So how Lady T can't do bad? How she say do bad? You carry matter go give her, she help you talk. You say she not do her way. Okay, she for join you now, they beat the man that you want. Everyone you go give African lady, I listen. I see where the man they talk. I even try to even record some. Make I even see where the man talk. The man talk your own side of the story. Whether they even beg the man, whether the man go see come back. The man say no. Say no fit. Now he wear shoe anywhere for the pain. And nobody go fit force the man. Nobody can force him. Nobody go fit force the man to make it come back to you, my dear. See the way they destroy the house everywhere. It destroy everywhere. All because you the vest. Eh? See my people, see one of the doors. See the way it the way it destroy everywhere. Eh? Because maybe you the vest. Now you can't do this kind of thing. Like seriously? Eh? Okay, now what did the tea can't do? Now let me want maybe my people help me ask. Now you carry matter, go give her. She help you talk her. How she can't take the bad? What did she can't do? What you can't invest for now? What did she do? When they carry the matter, go they give different people make the talk put. What did she do? Eh, my people? So that the matter where they grant be this one. Me don't see one bad thing when the tea do now. Suppose she still do bad now for she talk. Say the tea want scatter in marriage. If they carry on, you want me this go and the tea for different platform. Presenters. One are they careful for so kind people matter one are go to talk. Because when I talk and finish, your call is not turn to bad person. Now so now. Eh, my people. I beg when I shook mouth for this. When I look where the tea for they wrong now. I beg when I go listen to the tea video and the Africa lady video. When I see where they for do wrong. Where they for do wrong. Where the man now for do wrong now. Me I don't know. Where they for do wrong now. Where the woman they verse for. See, well I listen. Okay. Is it the tea they beg before you insult me?
All those things where you go to talk now rubbish.
Okay.
I don't know where she go to see me. See, when I tell you the truth, this woman have 2 children before. I have 2 children for Africa. Okay. So we be friends.
They be friends before they marry.
What did they happen for my child for Africa? Everything she didn't know because she's a friend to my sister. Yeah, that's what she tell me. Yeah.
Okay.
Then small time. Because this woman tell me.
See, if you want to send money, I forget to talk that
I
part.
can't tell her say you not get anybody, me not get anybody. If we live together, how that one happy? So one day me, you not be your family, you not be my family. We'll go right together. Like you say, we start to befriend each other. So he go tell me say for a time when she come from, she don't deal with boys. Nothing happen. Me I don't worry. This we can't go see the house. So as a man now, as we get close to each other, I come tell her say okay fine. If not so, myself I like you. I come to start. You understand? Then as I told this woman, every day a problem. I couldn't follow her because I didn't live in one room that time. So God didn't make me. This is where I need to talk if I lie because police. Then I couldn't follow her this thing for the house.
I'm not going to play all the record because it's long.
Then small time I come tell her say okay.
Everything.
Make we go to get problem. Problem what we dey get. Different problem. Every time different problem. He go carry 10,000 euro. Give me. Say make I hold on me to do business. Yeah, I do my business. I come tell her say no. I know the whole person money. Hold on. Any motor wey we dey buy, you go dey pay.
I don't play everything. You get the part when I not shook mouth. He say if you want to send money, go give him mama. He said this woman go the first. He will say you don't tell her. You must tell her first. I know say if person don't marry, they go to do things together. But I not see where for take permission from you first before you send money, go give him mama. I know like the thing they surprise me. If I take permission from you, my people, if I did wrong, I be more than leave on a comment for the comment section. They go see take permission before you go send money, go give the boy before the boy go send money, go give him mama. You take permission. I never see where the one for the happen. The man say if he want he said this woman can't go carry a phone. He can't carry the he say because he made the exchange phone. He say no say he do something for the phone as in if he they call, if they talk to anybody, this woman go the record down. This woman go the record down. If they talk, as in maybe anything when they talk for your own phone, you get the way they take they do am. If the woman go the hear am for your own too. Say that the woman do am for your phone, you don't know. He go surprise if he discuss finish. The woman go to tell us, say what you discuss. He go shock. He not know say now what the woman do. I be that one, my people. He say if his ex-wife call him, one day with that one even call him. He said this woman come the vessel. Say he carry phone, begin to talk to the woman anyhow. 12 they come the exchange words. He said, but in they receive your own picky papa's phone, no, if they receive him, you know the talk to him. But if he talk, na problem, my people. So now the matter with the grand have this one. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. So Mona shook mouth for this thing. Mona see where Lady C for they wrong. Where if I don't judge the matter where I don't know. Because he has to hear from you, he hear from the man. So I don't see where people come there for there. Where the woman begin the verse, carry the matter, they give them different presenters, may they help you talk. Since you don't bring yourself out, we'll go help you this go and way. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye everybody. Share this video for me and leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.